Today, we will create this background animation with some object. It's easy to do, so let's get started. First, we select the light and the cube, right click, delete. Now go here, add a plane. SX to scale it like this. Now we go here in particle properties, hit plus, increase the number here maybe to 3000. As you can see, our timeline is 250, so I make the end 250, the lifetime 250, and lifetime randomization I give it 1. Now if I play, we see the balls fall down. We don't want this, so to resolve this problem, I go here in field white, I make the gravity 0. Now if I play, we have the ball go up. That's what we want. Now we give it some rotation. Do we make it dynamic? Now we want not the balls, we want the object to be animated. So I go here in add, in mesh, I select UV sphere, right click, shadow smooth, S to make it smaller, small like this, GX, and I leave it here. Now I go back, I select the plane, I go here in the render, in yellow I select object, and here I select sphere. Now if I play, we have the sphere, but it's so small. So I go here in render, the scale, I give it maybe 0.15. And the scale randomization, I give it 1. So we have a small and big sphere. If you want just one object, you can go with one object, but we want more objects to be animated, different object. So I go here in add, I add a diamond. Here you see a little window. I decrease the number here, maybe to 6. You can play with this as you want. Maybe I give it 8 like this. S to scale it, GX, and I make it here. S to scale. Now go here in add, in mesh, in extra, we select simple star. You can play with as you want. S scale, GX, now we go here. If you haven't the stars, the extra here, if you go here, you haven't this extra object, it's simple. Go here in edit, in preferences, in add-ons, hit extra, and enable this and this, and save preferences. Now I add a cylinder. I give it more vertex. I decrease this to maybe 0.1. In the depth, just like this. GX, make it here. Select this one, shadow smooth. Select this one, shadow smooth. Now we want all this object to be animated. So left click, select all this object, not the camera, just the object, like this. Right click and go here and move to collection. Select a new collection and name it OK. Now right click, move to collection and select object. Now we go back here in the plane and we go here in a render. Here in object we select collection and here we select object. Now if we play, we have all this object as you can see. Now hit 0, hit N, view, camera to view. We change it like this. We make the plane here. You can make it like this or here, as you want. So I select the plane, I go here in object properties, I rotate it in y-axis, just like this. We want the object come from here. Now if we play, we have the object come in. I scale the plane in the x-axis like this to cover all. Okay, now here when you see the plus up and go here in shader editor, hit N to close this window. Now I go here in the world, in color, environment texture. I open the HDRI in my computer and I select one of this, maybe this one. I go here in render properties. You can make it in Eevee if you want. You enable this, and go here in color management and select very high contrast. Now if we go here in render, in viewport shading, if you play, we have all this object like this. I think it's so tiny, so I go to make the scale like this, maybe. You will see. Now we have all this object like this. But for me, I want to make it in cycles, because cycles is better than Eevee. Select your GPU if you have one. Here, as always, decrease the number to 32. The number here, I give it 100. In the light pad, we select all this and we give it 1. Disable this and this. I enable this. Okay, now we want to give some colors for this object. So I select one by one. I select first the cylinder, hit new, make it metallic, the roughness, give it 0.1, and the color, you can choose any color you want. Now I select the diamond, hit new, make it metallic, roughness, give it 0.1. The color, we make it like this. Now select the sphere, hit new, make it metallic, the roughness, give it 0.1, and give it any color you want. I make it blue like this. The star, hit new, make it metallic, roughness 0.1. The color, maybe we have a blue, why not? We make it like this. Now, if we go here in render properties, if we play, we have all this object. Maybe I increase the number. I select the plane, I go here, and they give it the seed, maybe. I make it in 3. And I increase the number here maybe to 5,000. Now if we play, we have this background animation. Okay, maybe the stars, I make it blue. The diamond, we make it red. I think it's good like this. Now we select the camera in view for display. We select just the camera angle. So if you want the animation, go here and select your resolution and select the folder where you want to be or animation. And here in PNG, we select FFmpeg video. In encoding, we select MPEG 4. And here in output quality, we select high quality and go here in render and render animation. So this tutorial is finished. I hope that you enjoyed to make it with me. I tell you goodbye and see you in the next one.